you tired of unreliable security cameras that miss details or drain batteries? In today's review, I'm testing the wireless security camera Solar Outdoor, a 2K HD solar-powered Wi-Fi camera with AI motion detection and color night vision. This camera is designed for homeowners and renters who want hassle-free outdoor surveillance. First, let's talk about the 2K Super HD resolution. The clarity is impressive. I could clearly see faces, license plates, and even fine details like the brand of a package. No more blurry footage when something happens. The solar panel is a game changer. It keeps the camera charged continuously, even on cloudy days. I've had it installed for weeks without touching the battery once. Absolutely zero electricity cost. The AI motion detection works like a charm. It distinguishes between real threats like people and false triggers like cars or trees moving. I only got alerts when someone walked into the driveway, not when a squirrel ran by. Color night vision is also excellent, providing clear color footage even in pitch darkness. The IP67 weatherproof rating means it survived rain, snow, and dust without any issues. Installation was a breeze. No tools needed, just mount it on a wall or fence, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're done in minutes. Overall, this camera delivers professional-grade security without the professional price. It's perfect for watching over your backyard, driveway, garage, or anywhere outdoors. Highly recommended for anyone wanting reliable, low-maintenance surveillance.